Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Node.js and NPM versions. This avoids cryptic runtime errors later. Once done, register and obtain API credentials, then put them in a env file so keys aren't hard-coded. Next, initialize the project and install an HTTP client like Axios or NodeFetch plus dotenv. Create a small config module that reads process env and test a simple request skeleton. This first working call proves your async flow and credentials are correct. Now implement the core request logic in a dedicated service file. Use async/await and centralize headers, timeouts, and authentication so changes are easy. Once done, parse responses into your domain objects and validate fields to avoid downstream bugs. Make retry logic with exponential backoff for rate limits and transient errors. This prevents hammering the API. Also add logging of request ID and durations for observability. And write unit tests that mock the HTTP client to keep behavior predictable. Finish by integrating the service into your app and adding caching or pagination handling where the API returns large datasets. Make sure secrets live in environment variables or a secrets manager and set up CI to inject them. Rotate keys regularly. Run integration tests against a sandbox endpoint if available. If something breaks, the go-to-troubleshooting step is to log full request and response metadata, headers, status codes, and payloads so you can pinpoint auth, rate limit, or schema mismatches quickly and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.